The external input function is used to bring in a design directly from your computer. It would be used instead of using the EMB call function or the FDD call function. The way the external input function works, using the up-down controls, we would bring the cursor next to where it says external input, and while the cursor is flashing there, we press the set button. We then, using the up-down buttons again, bring the cursor next to where it says serial and press the set button. It now will ask me to press the set button to start reading the data. The data is now being transferred to the embroidery machine. It then comes up with an empty room. The room is a memory location, and the embroidery machine automatically defaults to the earliest room available. I'm just going to accept this value by pressing the set button. The machine converts the file, comes back with this screen. I press previous, previous again, and the design is now ready to be embroidered.